Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2 chapter number 14, exercise 14a, that is about introduction to set theory. In this lesson, I will discuss basic level exercise 14a. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand that what are the types of numbers, what is the meaning of the term element or member, and what is the symbol, mathematical symbol used for element, member, or belongs to. This round E is the symbol for the member, element, or belongs to, and the notation for the number of elements. In set theory, small n is used to mark the number of elements and method of writing the sets. If you find any difficulty in understanding about these basic terms, you have to watch the previous lessons, for which I'll give the link in the description box. Let's move to basic level question number 1, and let me read the question from the book, as the questions are long, so I have written the questions in short form. Question 11 says that B is the set of odd positive integers less than 11. B is the set of odd positive integers less than 11. First requirement of the question is that we have to list the elements of B in set notation, and then we have to state whether each of the following statements is true or false. Okay, first let me write the elements of set B, and then we will decide about these statements whether they are correct or incorrect. So as set B is the set of positive odd positive integers, so what we have to do, we know that the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and 7, and they have to be less than 11. So the numbers that will be coming in set B are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. I hope you are clear about this set, that why we are writing 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and why we're not taking 11, because the question says that the set has to contain the elements which are less than 11. Now look at this set, and then we have to answer these questions. If we look at 1 belongs to this set, so it is true. Okay, so I have to write true. Okay, then 4 does not belong to B. Yes, 4 is the even number and B is the set of odd numbers. It is true. So I will write T here. Okay, and then 0 belongs to B. So 0 is not the member of this else statement. And coming to 11 does not belong to B. Yes, 11 does not belong to B, and it is true. Okay, and I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to question number 2. And question 2 says state the number of elements in each of the following sets. Here we have to state the number of elements only. First part is month in the year. So there are 12 months. So an answer will be 12. Okay. And then the second part is the odd numbers between 10 and 26. So it's good, if you find any difficulty, you can write that set, if that set is of numbers or some letters. So odd numbers which are between 10 and 26. So the numbers which can come here are 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, then 23, and then 25. Okay, now let me count how many elements are coming here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, I hope you are clear about this. So I have to write the number of elements. So the number of elements will be written in form of the number. Okay, then pupils in your class who are taller than you, it depends upon different situations. So in my class there are 2 people who are taller than me, so I can write 2 here. It depends upon you that how many people are taller than you in your class. Colors in school flag. My school flag has 2 colors, so I'll write 2 here. So colors in rainbow. Recall that how many colors are there in rainbow. There are 7 colors of rainbows, so 7 will be coming here. And horoscope signs, we know that there are 12 horoscope symbols and signs, so answer for this is 12. I hope you are clear about this question. And let's move to the next question. And next question says that list the elements in each of the following sets in set notation. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to read the given set, which is given in form of the set builder notation, and we have to write elements of the set in set notation. Okay, let me read first part of the question. And first part of the question is, set A is having the expression x such that x is the positive integer between 1 and 10. So we have to select the positive integers which are between 1 and 10. So the elements that will be coming in this set will be 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, I hope you are clear that why I'm not taking 1 and 10 both, because the question says that we have to pick up the integers which are between 1 and 10. Coming to the second part, B part says that I have to write, okay, description of set B is x such that x is the negative integer between -10 and -1 inclusive. So what we have to do in order to write set B, what we will be doing, I have to write the negative integers between -10 and -1, and here the important word is inclusive. So that's why I have to write -10 and -1 both in this set. Okay, let's write the elements of this set. So -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, so on, and -1. Okay, I hope you are clear about this part, and let's move to the next part of the question. And the next part says the name of the set which is given in the question is C, and description of set C is x such that x is an even number such that x is greater than -2 but less than and equal to 12. So from the given range I have to pick up the even numbers. So the even numbers which will be coming in this set will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. I hope you are clear about this question. And let's move to D part of the question. And the next part says D is the set of vowels in the word happy. Okay, so we have to select and pick up the vowels from word happy. We can see that there is only a vowel here, that is A. Okay, and this will be the answer. Okay, let me like put the bracket little closer to this. I hope you are clear about this question. And let's move to the next question, and let me read the question from the book. Question 4 says, list the elements of the following sets. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to list the elements of the sets which are given in the question. And the first set is the vowels in the word mathematics. So as we know from the junior classes that vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, A is the vowel here, and then I is the vowel here. So there are two vowels here, and then third vowel is E. And what we have to do, that elements of the following sets. So the elements of this set will be, or the vowels of this set will be A, E, and I. A, E, and I. Coming to the second part, the second part says that 7 colors of rainbow. Okay, we have to write the colors of rainbow, so I have to write them in short form. We know that the rainbow has 7 colors: red, and then we can have orange, and then we can have yellow, then blue and green, blue and green, Okay, how many colors I have written? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then 2 are left. They are violet, VIO, LET, and one more color, that is indigo. I hope you are clear that how we are writing the elements of the given sets. And then the next part says that the multiples of 9 which are less than 50. Okay, very easy questions. You should just have the clear concepts of the previous class. We have to pick up the multiples of 9 which are less than 50. So let me read the table. 9 ones are 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, and then I have to stop before 50. So this will be 45 will be the last element here, and I have to close the bracket. And then the next part says that okay, I've written E part first. Even numbers which are between 10 and 23. So even numbers which are between, here the word between is written. So that's why I will not be selecting 10. I'll begin from 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, and then 22 between. Okay, now colors in your school flag. My school flag has pink and white. Okay, pink and white. My school flag has two colors, so I'm writing this. So it depends upon you what color your school flag has. Okay, then coming to the next question. Question number 9 says that P is the set of all perfect squares bigger than 1 and less than 50, and then we have to decide that is 10 belongs to P or not. And the second is list all the elements of P in set notation. So let's first write the elements of P in set notation. Set P will be equal to, we have to pick up the perfect squares which are bigger than 1. So what we have to do, 4, 9, 16, 25, then 36, then 7 is 49. I hope this will be the last element in this set because I have to write the elements less than 50. Okay, I've done the second part. For the clarity and better understanding of the first part, otherwise you can decide it in the beginning that 10 does not belong to P. That is incorrect because 10 is not the perfect square. So we have to write no, 10 does not belong to P. Try to learn and apply the concepts that you have done before this lesson, so that you should have the clear understanding of new lesson and integration of that lesson with the new lesson. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Please feel free to ask your problems in the comment section. Press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.